Super exciting Monday, guys. Look at this amazing results. This is Simeon from Trinidad and Tobago. It's all about the copy and paste forex signals. We already caught 150 pips today, consistently trading at 0.01 on this account size. So these are the active trades we have running right now. And remember, this account last week was just $60 to $66. It's already reading at $96. I just want to show you a quick strategy that you could use taking our signals. A perfect example would be the GBP JPY. We had 3 TPs enabled here. This was TP1, TP2, and TP3, right? So what we did when it was close to TP2, we closed off TP2 and 3, and we did a sell stop order type for TP3, right? So what this does, this secures your profit, all right? And the only way the TP3 will basically be active is when you do a sell stop order as the TP2 take profit point. So that will be the entry point for the TP3 trade idea. So this account side is not so big, it's small. And remember, it's basically TP1 and 2 active, TP3 as a order type entry. So in that way you would only have 2 TPs running at the same time, not the 3 TPs based on your account size again. So guys, if you're not with us, that's just a tip. Remember, it's our copy and paste signals. We do the work, we send the information to the channel, you simply copy and paste and wait on our updates. I look forward to hearing from you. Look at the description, you will see the link to our WhatsApp group.